I think it's important to connect. It's important to communicate properly with your clients or customers. It's important to kind of be create. It's important to be confident in what you do. And it's important that when you are successful by using all these first 4 C's, you contribute, you give back to the community. So connect, communicate, create, be confident, and contribute are the 5 C's that's described in this book. And it's got weaved into it a little bit of my life story, which might inspire people that even though you come from challenging situations, you don't step back from moving forward to gain the success. You got to have the passion. And I remember I always think about it that Vivian Green is one of the persons who had written this quote, which I love so much. It says that life is not all about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning how to dance in the rain. And I think that's what this book explains, that, don't be discouraged. Don't think that it's so storming. It's so horrible. The road is rough. I won't make it. Learn how to really get through this, and you will one day.